Hello, my name is Jerry and this is our brand new picture book. It's to Dark Puffling. It's written by Erika McGann and I made the pictures. Here we have two little pufflings on the cover, and in this video we're going to draw them walking up the steps on Skellig Michael. They have a wonderful nighttime adventure under the shimmering moonlight in this beautiful book. So let's start drawing Puffling and then we'll have a little Puffling right beside her. Okay, so her head, Puffling's head, is a nice roundy shape, curving up and around and then curving back down again. Okay, next we'll put in the lower, her body, and if you see my other Puffling videos I always leave two gaps either side and you'll know what they're for. If you haven't seen those videos, you'll soon find out what the gaps are for. So there's one gap. And keep going up her body, and then the other side, two gaps. Okay, on her head, of course, she has a beak. So let's put in her beak shape first. And she's going to be looking down at little Puffling. She's smiling because she's being reassuring and gentle and kind. Little Puffling is afraid of the dark in this story. Pufflings and Pufflings have a small shape there at the side of their beak. So Puffling's eyes are going to be watching him carefully, making sure that he's okay, because he's just afraid of the dark. It's too dark in the dark. As he likes to keep saying, whoop. So Puffling's eyes are looking down. We'll put the Puffling beside her very soon. Her wings are for these gaps. Yes, so one wing is going to be going down here, and then the other wing is over here. Now Puffling has two legs, so let's put those in first before we go onto little Puffling. Two little lines for one leg, the other leg over here. And for the Puffling's feet, I do join the dots, so a dot either side and one down the front. And then we join from here to here, from here to here, and then curve down to the one there, and again there. So we have like an arrow shape, bit of a pointy webbed foot. Again, dot either side, one here, join and join and join, and down to the front. Puffling's 2 feet. Her belly is white, so we can just show a curvy line like this for her round white belly. Okay, Puffling's finished. Little Puffling is holding her wing with his little wing. Okay, and little Puffling's head is smaller, but it's very much the same kind of round as Puffling, and his body is the same round. We're leaving a gap for his other wing, up to here. So we'll put in little Puffling's other wing. His beak, of course, so that he can say what he needs to say. It's too dark in the dark. And his eyes, he's a little bit worried. Puffling is so helpful and reassuring for little Puffling in this story. His belly, of course, is white too, and then his feet, 2 little feet, legs first, and then again join the dots, join, and these birds have webbed feet. Oops, I'm skipping the joining here. I'll just put a dot in there and join. They have webbed feet for swimming in the sea. When our 2 little Pufflings are older, they'll be swimming, catching fish in the sea. And one more thing is that little Puffling has a toy that Puffling made for him at the beginning of the story to help him make you feel better. So this is a little toy that she made from fluff and twigs that were in her burrow. Very clever, very helpful Puffling. So he likes this new toy. So there we have our 2 Pufflings out at night time walking up the steps of Skellig Michael. Well done! If you'd like to share your drawing, you can ask a grown-up to share it online, and all the details are on the next screen.